friends, let's take a look at our math lesson for today. We're on lesson 3.3, count 8 and 9. Our objective for today is that we are going to be able to count the numbers 8 and 9. Wonderful. Let's continue. I'm going to move my thing right there. All right. We'll start with our solve and share.
There are some sandwiches for lunch at the beach. Use counters and draw a picture on the blank sign to show how many sandwiches there are. Tell how you know you are correct.
Okay, so what I am going to do is I'm first going to count how many sandwiches I have. So count with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many sandwiches? 8. Now I'm going to use counters and draw a picture. So I'm going to come over here, get my marker out, and we're going to make 8. 8 counters to represent the 8 sandwiches. Okay, so count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I have 8 sandwiches and I made 8 counters on the blanket, on the beach towel. Okay, now I want to show you in my frame. Now this looks very similar to the frame that we used before. Do you know the difference? Well, in previous lessons, we were using a 5 frame. That's just half. Now we are using a 10 frame. So a 10 frame has 5 on top and 5 on the bottom. So now we need to use counters to fill in the 10 frame to show how many sandwiches we have. Now remember, we counted 8. So I know if I fill the top part of my 10 frame up, that's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5, then I'm going to count here and continue to count because it's more than 5. 8 is more than 5. 6, 7, 8. All right, so I showed 8 on the beach towel here, and I showed 8 on my 10 frame, or in my 10 frame. All right, that's how we can tell if we're correct, because we counted, and then we represented 8 here, and we represented 8 on the 10 frame. All right, let's take a look at our learning video.
Tell a counting story about what you see. How many ants do you see? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How can you find out how many counters there are? You can count. Does it matter which counter you count first?
What do you think?
No, it doesn't matter.
It doesn't.
If there is one counter for each ant, how many counters are there? There are 9 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many counters do you color in to show the number of ants? You color in 9 counters. You counted to 9.
Now you know how to use counters to count to 9.
All right, great job, guys. Let's continue on. All right, your sheet, you're on, remember we're on 3.3, and so we're going to take a look at the guided practice. So one of the things that I like to do when I am counting how many items there are is I like to put a little line on them. Then I don't count them twice, or I don't forget to count one of them also, okay? So I'm going to, with my pencil, I'm going to put a line across each one as I count it. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how many sandwiches do I have? You are right, 9. So I am going to make my 10 frame show 9. All right, so I'm going to color 9 spots or put in 9 counters. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How do I know that's the right number? Because when I counted the sandwiches, I got 9. And when I put the counters in, I counted each one till I got 9, and then I stopped. All right, let's go to number 2, to the croissant sandwiches. Remember, when you're counting, put a little line on each one so you don't double count. Here we go. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many croissant sandwiches do I have? 8. You are right. Now I want to show 8 with my 10 frame. So I'm going to get my counters out again. I'm going to do yellow this time. So I have 8 croissant sandwiches. I want to show 8 in my 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And once I get to 8, I stop counting and stop putting counters in. How do I know it's right? Because I counted 8 croissant sandwiches and I stopped counting my counters when I got to 8. So 8 croissant sandwiches, 8 in my 10 frame. All right, let's take a look at number 3. We are going to count sub sandwiches. Are you ready? Get your pencil so that you, every time you count it, that you put a line through it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many sub sandwiches do I have? 9. I counted every one. How do I know I counted every one? I have a line through them, so I know I counted them. So I have 9 sub sandwiches, and I want to show on my 10 frame 9. So I'm going to put my pencil away and get out my counters. I'm going to do red this time. All right, I know I need 9 to represent my sub sandwiches. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How do I know I have the same amount of sub sandwiches as I do counters here? Because when I counted the sub sandwiches, I got 9. And I put 9, when I counted and put the counters in my 10 frame, I counted 9 and then I stopped. All right, good job. Let's go to the next page. All right, so our job is to count the different drinks and then show that in the 10 frame. Are you ready? Okay, do you remember that we need to get our pencil out? And every time we count one drink, we need to put a line on it. Okay, we're going to start with the milk. Count with me, friends. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many milks do I have? 9. Did I get them all counted? Yes, I did. How do I know? Because there is a line through every milk, and that means I've counted each one. I have 9. Now I am going to show on my 10 frame 9. So I'm going to get my counters out, and you will use a crayon and just put a circle in each one. All right, 9 circles. You ready to count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I counted 9 milks, and I'm showing 9 on my 10 frame. All right, let's count juice boxes. Are you ready? Get your pencil. Remember to put a line through each one that you count. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many juice boxes do I have? 8. Did I count each one? I sure did. How do I know? Because there's a line through them all. So I have 8 juice boxes. Now I want to show on the 10 frame 8. So you're going to use your crayon and make color 8 spots in the 10 frame. I'm going to use the counters. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because the top of it filled is 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, I have to stop at 8 because that's how many juice boxes I have. All right, so I have 8 juice boxes, and I have my 10 frame representing 8. All right, let's go to number 6. Let's count water bottles. Are you ready? Get your pencil. Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did I get all the water bottles counted? Yes, I did. How do I know that? Because they all have a line through them, okay? So now that I know we have 8 water bottles, I want to show 8 in my 10 frame. So you guys will get out a color crayon, and I'm going to put counters in mine. All right, we need to have 8 to show 8 water bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wonderful. I know it's correct because when I counted my water bottles, I have 8. And I have 8 represented in my 10 frame. Wonderful. Now this is your page to do. All right, so your job is to count fruit. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to count the apples. Make sure you put a line on each one so you know you counted them and you don't double count. Once you finish that, you know the number of apples, then show that number in your 10 frame. Then for number 8, you're going to count strawberries. Remember to put a line through each one of them. And once you figure out how many strawberries you have, show that, represent that on the 10 frame. Show that many. Use your crayon. And number 9 is you're going to count pears. Okay, make sure again you put a line through so you don't double count. Once you finish, then show on the 10 frame that amount. All right, number 10, it's a little bit different. You get to decide. You can draw 8 oranges or 9 oranges. You decide. And then make sure you count them so that there are definitely 8 or 9, and then show that on your 10 frame. When you get finished with this page, I want you to take a picture and send it to me so that I can see your great work. All right, if you have any questions, make sure you message me or call or let me know somehow so that I can help you if you have any questions. All right, boys and girls, enjoy and do your best work and let me see your best job. Have a fabulous day.